Yeah.
Oh yeah. Hey Chris, I got 6.
Oh yeah.
The guy with the Luger killed me.
They're trying to take warehouse.
Yeah, there's loads on the side of it. They're holding. I got the flag up, so I already got the flag up to blue.
Yeah.
Straight away, and then no one else was with me, so I couldn't go back in. I want to go to the left side. I know there's a guy lying on the floor in front of the.
Yeah.
Single shooter in the bushes to the left. Yeah. You with me, Matt? Matt, you with me?
Don't get up, mate. Don't get up. James.
Yeah, go.
There.
There it is. I kind of need that. They're going to see everything.
Sorry, mate. You can see. Oh, hit. Woo. That was blind firing, mate. Is he in the building? Yeah, don't bother.
Whoa, no blind firing, man!
I've got that!
Yeah.
Got blind firing, it's supposed to be like.
Hey! All right. I've just been hit, so I'll just go.
They're all down the bottom, right?
I said we go straight that way.
There's a bunch falling up where they're falling.
That's not like a bunch of people, and then there's kids absolutely decked in the head.
How we doing?
Yeah, we're trying to find better.
You got anyone yet?
I count a few. I don't count.
I've just died so far.
You see a red right in front of you, behind that bush.
In the building.
Oh.
I've got that geezer, but
Pretty thin down there.
Hey! Oh, right in the fucking ear! Oh. Oh, right in the fucking ear. Oh. Oh.
You alright?
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Where was the shield when you needed it?
I put it up against the window, and then I'm pretty sure I hit a guy. He didn't call it. Luke, I got flanked. Guy wrapped round me and traded.
I was just respawn.
Yeah.
Oh, I've been walking all the way back over there. You seen James?
Yeah, it's up around there last time I saw him.
What, on the left still?
They pushing hard.
Guys, there's a movement out coming right to the left.
Close. I've done my 10 seconds. They're close.
Yeah, no,
They push up.
I'm
The bit.
going to get behind the tree and if this close, I'm going to get up here because to get close here. It's going to cover it.
I love it.
Right, they're getting close. No, I haven't been here, I'm just getting somewhere up here to cover. So I can get range. As they're getting close, I'm getting up here to cover.
All good.
Okay.
Question for you. Shooting through, you know your fort there?
Yeah.
If they're getting shot through between the gaps in there,
Yeah.
does that count as a hit?
No.
Yeah, if it's quite close, no. Is that range?
No, so I was sat in the bushes, you've
Yeah.
got your barricades there, the barricades have got holes in them.
Yeah.
They're getting hit through the holes,
Yeah. That doesn't count.
doesn't count regardless. Also, have you got anyone in there at the
In
moment, marshal wise?
Where?
In
Warehouse.
I can
in
check.
CQB, because there's one in the back right corner that keeps putting his gun round but not his body round.
Blind fire.
Yeah.
Talk about the fines through the
Done it
barricade.
several times.
If it's shooting like through the gap, if it's quite close, no, don't count. I did last week on a barricade on CQ on Crater. I shot through the gap through 65 metres, through a little gap like that. With this, I got him twice.
Yeah.
If it's that range, it should count.
My opinion of it is, if you're getting shot, you're getting shot.
Yeah.
Granted, they're not allowed to shoot from there because they can't
Yeah,
put a
it's,
barrel to it, but they're
Yeah.
still getting hit.
If
That's
it's
why I
the-
was double checking it.
it's when it's through like, if you like the barricade here, and you stand there,
It's
you,
not
and you,
through the window, but it's through the wood, if that makes sense.
Yeah, if
But
you
that's why I was checking to see if it
If
counts
it's
or
a
not.
clear barricade, it doesn't count. But if it's like a window or like a doorway,
So it's got to be a window or doorway they've got to
Yeah.
be hit through.
yeah, but if it's
Oh, no, that's cool.
on
That's all I was
Crater, you've got the barricades made out of wood blocks, and there's a gap there. You can shoot through that at range, like I did last week.
yeah, if it's like a
A little gap. If you can shoot through a little gap at range, I was shooting at 65 metres. I got a guy through that little gap.
if it's this big at range, then that's fine. But if it's like that small, then no.
Depend.
Hey Jerry, I got you some more ammo for the air rifle down bottom.
My argument last week was on the CQ on the heady crate field. There's a barricade made out of wooden slots. There's a gap. I was like 65 metres away. Actually shot through that gap and got the guy on his eyebrow right there. I saw his head back, switched back. I know that guy. My brother-in-law, my nephew's brother-in-law. Right, they're coming over that direction now. Let's see if I can get these shots from here. Joe, where are they at the moment?
Huh?
Oh, where are they at the moment?
They're in CQB. I can't. Jamie wants me to take a death squad, but I can't because no one's going to push with me.
Oh, I can't really.
Yeah. And I've only got a group of rentals with me, and that's it.